Okay, we've just arrived, and Kev and Keith have got all the wingtips stripped down out of the jigs, so I assume they've all gone for painting. Jack's got the hoop in which supports the turret. It isn't riveted yet. I can see he's only got the pins in at the moment. So this is the start of the rebuild.
Yeah, that's actually in there.
Have you got any rivets in yet?
Yeah, in the brackets at the back here. I'm just putting these in here. You can see them inside. You won't see them outside, just inside there. Probably scan it.
Yeah, I can just get them, I think.
Yeah. Looking out is holds a reinforcing bar that comes across about 30 degrees, so from the side, and the floor sits on the bar.
Oh, and there's the bracket, yeah. And that lug sticking out.
Yeah, that's
supports the floor.
Yeah, just here. It comes across here and attaches to the bulkhead, and one from that side, and then the floor sits on that.
Again,
it's on the inside, in there underneath the.
Yeah.
Right inside underneath that part. You won't actually see much of it.
No. Well, this afternoon,
well, we're going to start riveting this up, yeah. And then that's it. Then it starts to get stronger.
Yeah.
We'll probably put this loop in here next to stop that from being so weak.
Yeah.
And then the longerons will go in and things like that.
Oh, good. And these are all painted.
Yeah, these are painted, ready to go on.
And this is the correct colour to suit this Lancaster.
Yes, we call it Avro Green. That's just the name they've given to it. Yeah, that's the mod that reduces the hole size from the two.
Which is the mod
that panel on there,
yeah.
That little bit, they was originally for 2 belts of 303s, and you see there's an extra cutout there, look.
Yeah.
So that goes on the top, so it only had 1 belt, and that one had wiring coming through it there.
Yeah.
This is the piece that will probably fit on the bottom first, on the skin.
Yeah. Who's helping you with the riveting then?
John is moving.
Yeah.
Once I've done these brackets, they're a bit awkward, but once I've done you wouldn't think that could support the gun, would you?
You wouldn't, no. These blue tickets up here, Jack, what do they represent?
Well, the items that can be removed and the states of what state they're in, serviceable, unserviceable, and these are identification cards more than anything.
Bulkhead?
Well, we don't know about the bulkhead, we might do the longerons first on the bottom skin.
Oh, of course, yes, yeah, you've got those to do,
yeah. Because if we put them in now, and then we put the bulkhead in, these are going to have to pull in, you see, so they're not really in the right shape. So if we put this piece of framing in here, then that's holding it to the right shape, so the longerons will fit comfortably, they won't be under stress.
Yeah.
They're only nut and bolt at the back, and they're riveted at the front. But yeah, that's all that happen. Some of it's painted, but the frame can go in as well, you see.
Oh yeah.
That frame's ready to go in.
Yeah.
But I'm just going to have to.
Trim cable comes through here, it's all in one piece. Comes through that fair lead there, into it, and then there's a bobbin.
Yeah, I can see the bobbin, yeah.
There's a bobbin And it wraps around the bobbin, goes through a hole in the side, a hole through the middle, back round the other side, through another hole, wraps around the bobbin, then back out again.
So it spins the bobbin to...
It's wrapped round the bobbin, so it's doing that, and turning the bobbin at the same time.
And the bobbin screws, it's threaded, the bobbin, and it screws that in and out.
Yeah. That stays stationary, and that turns. That makes it longer, that makes it shorter going that way. Therefore, changing the angle of your trim tab.
Oh, that's good. Right, thank you.
Can you pass me another big one?
Are they threaded? Are the nuts? Are they threaded?
Anchor nuts.
Anchor nuts, yeah.
Where the panels fit on.
Yeah.
If you look, it's like a nut, and it's a nut there, nylock nut, and it's swaged onto a base plate, so you can be riveted. So it's inside where sometimes you can't get to them.
Yeah, can't get a spanner on it.
Yeah, you can't get a nut on.
Yeah.
And it's a lot easier because you just put the panel up and just screw through it.
Yeah. And does vibration, do they ever come loose with vibration?
No, because they're nylock. Nylock.
Oh yeah.
Insert.
I can't see.
See a nylon
yeah.
insert?
Yeah.
Some of them in like hot areas, they won't have the nylock bit, they'll have either a special like red nylon anti-temperature thing, or if it's really hot area, it'll be steel, you know, like you see some shank-proof nuts.
Yeah.
They're actually steel, and they've got little slots cut round them, and they're squished.
Yeah.
So as you screw it in, it actually grips it. Because of the temperature, it just melts the nylon.
Yeah.
They're exactly the same sort of thing, different application.
Tedious little job you've got there.
Oh yeah. This is nothing. It's when you've got hundreds and hundreds.
I suppose when you're drilling them off, it's not too bad. It comes off quick. Then putting them on is 4 or 5 times longer.
Oh yeah. But even if you've got like hundreds to put on, and it's in like a new piece of material.
Yeah.
And then first of all you've got to drill them, and you can see each one's got kind of 3 holes.
Yes. Yeah.
So you've got 500 to fit, so it's 1,500 holes you've got to drill. Yeah, so it's
keeps you going.
oh. And then you know, kind of 2 of the 3 holes are countersunk.
Yeah.
So you've got to countersink them as well. So by the time you finish doing them, you're sick and tired of them.
Those compressor guns are good, aren't they, for this sort of job?
Oh yeah, the air squeezers.
Yeah.
A lot better than a rivet gun.
Yeah. Oh, good. Thank you.
That's all right.